Hi guys, we're gonna be vlogging our weekend. It's finally Friday after work, which is when the weekend starts. So we're gonna go grocery shopping and eat Subway. But yeah, come with us on our weekend.
Come with us.
We usually don't really do anything, but we're still gonna vlog it because why not? So yeah, we chose Subway because it's my favorite. Not Gabriel's though, but surprisingly he wants some today.
Right down below. What combo? What chips you guys get when you go to Subway?
We're iPad kids. We have to watch something while we eat.
And I don't care. We just got out of Subway and it was bussin'. I sound like such a millennial saying that, but it was really good,
You
guys.
are a millennial.
Oh yeah. And now we're gonna go to Walmart first.
Yep.
And then El Super. So this is usually how our Fridays go. We always get out of work and then I pick up laundry and then we go eat something and then we go grocery shopping.
Yep, and then we go home early because Gabriel has to work on Saturdays.
Super early, which is annoying. Like it's a Saturday. Who wants to work on a Saturday?
But yeah, we're gonna go home now. We'll come back tomorrow to see what we do. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's Saturday morning, so I'm gonna be making my meal preps as I do every Saturday. But first, I'm gonna have my turmeric ginger shot. Ew. I'm gonna make my meal preps and then I'll show you guys what I make. I'm finally done cooking. I made teriyaki chicken with cabbage and white rice, and then I'm gonna have lettuce wrap burgers for dinner with sweet potato fries. That's the makeup. I'm gonna do my hair now. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, honestly, because it's kind of messy. Well, I think I'm gonna curl my bangs and like the front pieces and see if I can put it up in like a bun or maybe leave it down. I don't know. And then I'm gonna change. I'm gonna try on these cargo pants and then I'm gonna wear one of these Pumi shirts. Pumi? I think that's how you say it. These Pumi shirts. I'm either gonna wear this gray one and it's kind of like a U-neck, or this green one. I think I'm gonna wear the green one, but let's try it on. I think that's cute. Yeah, I think that's good. My butt is non-existent, but I'm gonna wear this with, I don't know if to wear my pandas or my sambas. I think my sambas, right? I think the sambas. I think I'm gonna do my hair. That's fine. Okay, next, a bag. I'm gonna wear this little black, it's all ugly, but it's from Shein. It's a little black leather purse. I'm gonna put my wallet, powder and a powder puff, lip combo. And I'm gonna take like a little hand lotion because my hands get so dry. I found a hand lotion, and then I'm gonna take my Summer Fridays because sometimes I don't feel like putting on my lip combo again. I'm gonna do the Tree Hut Tropical Glow Cream. It smells so good. So good. And then for perfume, I'm gonna do the Ariana Grande Cloud, my favorite. I have a mess, big mess, like, but we're probably gonna have to leave all of that because I'm in a rush. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys where we're going. We're going to Chuck E. Cheese to celebrate my little cousin's birthday. I'll probably vlog a little bit of that.
It was fun.
We're gonna go to Starbucks and get fraps.
It was fun, guys, because this is the one that we came to when we were little kids.
Yeah. Make dinner when we get home too. We're gonna make spaghetti and meatballs basically. So guys, I wanna go, but I have to wait. Well, I want Starbucks and I wanna go to Sleepers. Should we go get Starbucks right now? Or should we go home and make dinner and then go get Starbucks?
It's too cold, in my opinion, Bob.
Are you hungry?
Okay, I drank some.
I know, me too. Should we even make it then? Nah, okay, we should make it. We should eat food. It's 6. Yeah. We're gonna be making dinner with these boofy noodles that
No.
Gabriel chose.
They're healthy.
But they suck. We're gonna throw them in.
And
Oh! Okay, let's fix this and then we'll come back. These are the meatballs. We got them at Costco. How do we do it? Air fryer or oven or microwave? I think air fryer.
he's actually washing dishes. What?
How much should I do? We just got to Starbucks. We don't know what we're gonna get yet, but we're excited. Good morning, guys. I just woke up clearly. I'm gonna do my bed, shower, and then probably eat some breakfast and start getting ready so Gabriel can come over, and basically just gonna stay home today. That's what we do every Sunday, honestly, because we don't really like to be out. I'm so tired. I'm gonna get ready now. I don't think I'm gonna do like makeup. I think I'm gonna do brows, blush, and probably some lip gloss and curl my lashes because it's Sunday and I just feel like being lazy and I just don't feel like taking my makeup off later. Also, we forgot an update on the pasta yesterday. It wasn't that good. Honestly, I hate the chickpea pasta. Like, I just don't like it. I don't like the taste of like the graininess. But the sausages are really good. They're really good. They saved the dinner last night. But yeah, it was like a 5 out of 10, honestly. So this is discada. It's basically a bunch of meats mixed together. And it's so bomb. I'm gonna show you guys how we eat it. 10 out of 10. The chef right there.
Rate the discada.
Yeah, rate it, Regina.
The 0.5.
And my tortillas 20.
What do you rate it?
Well, me, dude, I ate so many. 11 out of 10.
Me, I give it a 10 out of 10. Pa, ¿qué le das de 1 al 10 la discada?
10.
There you go.
Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. That was our weekend. We didn't do too much today.
Yeah.
Like at all.
We were lazy today.
Yeah.
We're gonna get ready for tomorrow to start the week off, right? I guess.
Work tomorrow.
I don't wanna work. I don't wanna work.
Sunday nights and Mondays are the worst
Yeah.
days ever.
But yeah. Bye, guys.
Hope you guys have a good week.
Bye.
Say
Say bye, Frankie.
Bye.
Oh, he looks like a teddy bear. Oh my god.